she started dropping water, leaking water. Her water broke partly, and then a big bubble of water came out. Was just hanging there, and I didn't want to pop it because I think that was her sack. She's long. She looks like a long one. So then, just as you pulled in, I started to see body parts coming through the hole.
Did it fall out or did it?
No, it just slipped out. She's so loose back there. Look at that. One frosted ear, one not. Hey, you cutie.
And at least that had happened after school.
Yeah, it was perfect timing. I said, wait for Heidi, and she did. Waited for you to get home. That's it. Look it off of her face. Yeah, that's a good mama.
Got another one in there?
I expect so.
Mm.
It's pretty big stuff. Go to it, Liz. The whole puddle for you. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Is this Athena?
What is sort of...
I think it's a long-legged baby. She looks big to me. You look big, pretty girl. You look like Kizzy, or, yeah, like Kizzy. That's what I kind of thought Kizzy's babies might look like. I'll fling that stuff. Let's see, Heidi says you got blue eyes. You think?
I can't really...
I can't tell either yet. Good job, Luce. Look it down. You look just like your brother from last year. Those boys last year were white with a little bit of black. There's the umbilical cord. Good job, Lucy. Good baby. Geez, look how long that leg is. Well, last year they were short and fat. Because their daddy was. She delivered them pretty close together last year, didn't she, Heidi? Nice. Look, she's giving birth. By the time we came back out, she had one out, and by the time I dragged her into the pen, the other one was falling out. Good mama, Lucy. Good mama. Starting to make your little sounds. What? Look, she's black and brown and around her eyes, just like your mama. Look, she looks just like you. Your head.
Where's like...
There's another bubble coming?
No.
No?
There's like some stuff like dripping on it. Oh.
She'll do it her own way. Excuse you, Chips. Gee, that's a lot of stuff. I mean, just for her to be carrying around that whole big baby on a big sack, and if there's another one in there, how could that fit? It's a little slippery, huh? Her tail.
What you got, Luz? I like that. Yes.
It's slippery. Whoa. Whoa. Slap yourself in the face with your goobers. There. Oh.
What is that, Chloe?
Let Kizzy watch. She's the one that needs to know how to do it. Oh, tit hunting. Teat hunting.
Rip it up.
The more she eats, the less I gotta clean.